Hello everybody, welcome back to Pixie Woo. Hope everyone's good. I'm good, apart from really dry lips actually. Today's makeup tutorial I'm going to do for you is the London look. I've been doing reviews and I get a bit stuck in a rut after a while and I'm like, I'm bored of that now, I need to do something else. So I was like, oh, hello, notifications. Let me turn that on to silent. So I thought, right, I'm gonna do a London look and then I might do a little bit of makeup globe trotting, whatever, and do different looks from different places. So I might do a French Riviera, Hollywood icon. I'm reading them because I made notes as to what I've got here French Riviera, London look, Hollywood icon, Italian chic, Golden Goddess, Arabian Night, Arabic beauty, New York, Indian wedding, I don't know why I've put Moscow, Russia. I must have just getting tired because this is what I do. My brain starts working in the middle of the night and I'm like, oh, quick, make some notes. Not that this is very like, oh my God, I've just cured something. It's just literally makeup looks. Tokyo, and I thought, oh, I will start with London look. This isn't to say that this makeup is going to categorize each country, each city, each town, because that would be silly. But what it is to say is when you think about people, this is the kind of style that you put them with and the makeup that you put them with. So if you think of France, I always think of very chic, kind of front pleated trousers that are a little bit cropped with a little pair of flat heels and very minimal, beautiful chic. When you think of LA, you think a little bit more makeup, but then you have Hollywood, which is kind of the icon. Then you have that kind of workout, very, very glowing, not so much on there. And I just wanted to do some videos that were a bit more like that. So if you have any ideas that you would like me to do, please say, but I'm going to start with London, and then I might do Hollywood Glamour next. Or Italian chic would be nice as well. I always think when I think of Italians is big sunglasses. Obviously I put makeup underneath the sunglasses, but very chic, you know, like hair back, tight, just really, really gorgeous. And that's what I want to do. So that's what I'm doing, starting with London. Now I lived in London for a long time and I wore makeup, but I didn't have time to wear tons, and I actually worked in a makeup store. I still didn't have time to wear tons. I'm just going to pop a little bit of, this is a little bit of Radiance primer on first. The VB one, which I love. Yeah, I worked in London for a long time, and I kind of burnt the candle at both ends, if you know what I mean. I spent a lot of my time out, a lot of my time working. I moved to London so that I could further my career in makeup, and it did. It really did help me. I learned so much and I partied hard and I had the best time and I really enjoyed it. And that's kind of sums up London a bit. You go there to boost your career, but you literally have no time. So that's kind of why the makeup explains itself. It's just uber cool. So I'm going to pop a little bit of light reflecting primer on first, just to hold the makeup in place because the days are long, the nights are long too, and to give me that radiant glow throughout the day. For this look, I am going to use MAC Face and Body because it looks like skin. It allows your skin to kind of glow through, it sits on the skin beautifully. The more you shape this, the slightly thicker it will go, so give it a good shake beforehand. I don't want it to be really, really thin layer. I want it to be a good consistency when it goes on the skin. I'm just going to take that on an expert face brush and work that into my skin. The colour that I have got is N2. Now this foundation is great. It's very, very lightweight. It comes in tons of shades. I think they have 40 shades. Well, actually, MAC have 40 shades throughout all of their foundations. And the great thing about it is they do 40 shades, but they also do in different textures, different finishes. So you can get a lot from them. I'm then going to take this Beauty Pie Wild Velvet Stick Shadow and just work that on the lid. under the eye as well. Almost where you can't tell where the shadow and the under eye circles meet. They become one. Just get a brush and buff that in. This is the medium shadow brush. So it's almost becoming a little bit worn. So it's kind of a little bit, has she got really dark eyes? What's going on? And I'm then going to take this one in the colour Cocoa. Oh, not Cocoa, Chocco. Sorry. And I'm going to allow that to go right on the waterline, not waterline, top lash line. And then take the same brush and just blend that a bit. Don't want it to be too blended. I want it to look a little bit imperfect. Perfect is what we want. I'm then going to take a little bit of MAC Squid and I'm going to take that in the waterline. Now, I don't want to go brown, I can go grey, but I want to keep it a little bit dark and harsh, like our sense of humour. I think a brown would be a little bit warm. I'm going to run a tiny bit of that along the top waterline as well. Harsh. And then just take a shading brush and soften that. Don't want it too soft. It needs to look a little bit worn. So with this sort of look, I'm thinking Kate Moss. You know, that kind of, I don't know where I am, I've just woken up, I've been out all night, I still look epic. A little bit of Cara Delevingne in there as well. Let me add some mascara and see how this situation is looking. No false lashes for London. So this is the YSL Volume Effet mascara. Clump it up. I'm going to give my brows a little brush through. This is using the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. Yes, I got a name right of something. I'm going to run a little bit of brow gel through the brows. This one is Suqqu and it's 01. Just to add, I like the wand on this, it's just going to add a little bit of texture. I'm then going to go in with a touch of concealer. I have got Laura Mercier Under Eye Concealer. Bear in mind, I'm in London. I need good coverage under my eyes because I have not slept for a while. That is how it rolls. We like a drink in the UK. Okay, I'm going to take that just under the eyes. Only where the dark bit is here. A little bit of Charlotte Tilbury powder just to flatten down where I have a shine. I normally would bronze first, but I don't want too much bronzer to cling to my skin because this look is not about that. Then in with a tiny dusting of bronzer. Oh, that's a bit much. I'm going to weigh that down. A little bit of Bobbi Brown Urban Beige, number 28, just on the cheeks. And I'm going to use my fingers for this. Don't worry, it's not staying like that. I want to go in with a little bit of Glossier Highlighter. I want to pop that just there, and I'm going to blend that blush and the highlighter in together. Lastly, on the lips, no lip liner, a little bit of Nude, Blush Nude 13 Tom Ford lipstick. you like. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Bobbi Brown Buff Lip Gloss. Allow that lip gloss to kind of wear in, so it's not quite so shiny, but there's kind of nothing but something there. So there you have the finished London look. If you like this video, I've got a bit of hair across my face, don't forget to like and subscribe, don't forget to share, and all the other stuff. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and don't forget to also, there's a lot of things not to forget. Where is that bit of hair? Why is it stuck to my lip gloss so much? Oh. And what was I going to say? Yeah, don't forget to comment on other ones that you would like. If you would like a Hollywood glamour, if you would like Italian chic, something like that, then just pop a comment and I will try and deliver for you. Have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Take care.